On social media, you probably have seen that with the new Apple operating system, people are customizing their home screens, their app icons, adding widgets, and coming up with some pretty cool designs. I thought I'd try to get creative and come up with a home screen with a very specific theme in mind, and that is HYPEBEAST'S. Today I'm going to be showing you what the home screen looks like, explaining a little bit how I made it, and how you can do the same. But before we continue, I gotta ask you guys to hit the subscribe button, drop a like, and drop a comment. Alright, so first off, I'll explain how I made the custom icons, the custom app icons. So you're gonna go into Shortcuts, the Shortcuts app on your phone, click the plus on the top right hand corner of the screen, add action, in the search bar type open app, choose the app you want to have the icon open, click the three dots at the top right hand corner again, click add to home screen where it says new shortcut, title the app, and then click the icon next to it to choose the custom icon image that you're gonna want. So here it is, guys, a look at the screen that I made with the apps that I made. I know it's kind of a lot, but I just thought it'd be something fun to do. If you want to add any of these app icons to, if you're gonna do something like this, I'll put the link in the description to download any of these pictures that I made for the app icons. For messages, I just had the chat bubble with Nike Air. With notes, I put Yeezus on there. The Photos app, just a Murakami flower. Camera app, I added a lens and flash to the Palace logo. The Safari logo is inspired by the Stussy 8-ball. The App Store is an upside down V-Lone logo to imitate the A in the App Store logo. For mail, it's the Astroworld logo with an envelope. Maps is inspired by Off-White. I added the Undefeated logo to FaceTime, Supreme to Twitter, Babe to Instagram, and CDG to Snapchat. How did I make these logos? Well, I actually don't even have Photoshop. I've just been using this program called Gimp, which is like a free version of Photoshop that you can download on Mac. I make my thumbnails with it as well. Just make sure that the base image is a square for the apps, and you could add any images or paint anything that you want to make your own pictures, or in this case, app designs. I also made the wallpaper on my home screen from Gimp as well. The custom widgets on my screen are just pictures I grabbed off the internet, and you can make these pictures into widgets really easily with this app called WidgetSmith. Alright, so now here's the bad part about this whole setup that a lot of these cool screenshots that people post don't really show. When you click the app, since it's technically just a shortcut to open the app, it directs you to Shortcuts app for a brief second before it opens the actual app that you want it to. For this reason, I will not actually be using the new screen, but I just thought it was something pretty cool and pretty fun to do for the video. If you want to use any of these icons, a link will be down in the description to download them. I hope you all enjoyed. Let me know if you will be making a custom screen with custom apps in the new iOS. Make sure to like, make sure to subscribe. I appreciate all of you. Have a good one.